This guide will help you connect your Nintendo Switch for optimal performance in 2026. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is stable and has a good signal strength. You can do this by testing the connection on other devices or moving closer to the router. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Ensure your console is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Optimize your network settings. Adjust your router settings for better performance. Consider changing the Wi-Fi channel to reduce interference, or switch to a 5 GHz band if available, as it offers faster speeds. Step 4. Use a wired connection. For the best performance, connect your Nintendo Switch to the internet using a wired connection. You can do this by using a LAN adapter that connects to the Switch dock. Step 5. Limit background applications. Close any unnecessary applications or downloads on your Switch to free up resources. This will help improve performance while gaming online. By following these steps, you can enhance your Nintendo Switch's connectivity and performance in 2026. Enjoy your gaming.